Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install required packages and dependencies with the following command. Download, then execute the bash file by running the following command. Verify the installation with checking the version of Sysdig. You can launch it via command line by running the next command. You will see the following screen. Press F2 button to change the view for the future reference. If you press the F1 button, you will get the help. Also run the following command to see the top processes rated by CPU utilization. You can view the system process running with this command via Sysdig by running the next command. Run the following command to see the network connection and license ports of the servers. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.